This is my breakfast. This is my breakfast. I love Gongcha. I love her milk tea. So I didn't eat anything from the morning. I'm doing gardening today. But doing gardening make yourself like happier, because I read somewhere from about well-being. So if you do gardening, you make yourself feel happier. I don't have a proper tool for the See, this is the white carrot, but because I didn't last time when I plant, I didn't look after, I didn't water them, so they grow like this. But it's too small, but too many flowers. Look, I am too pretty. This is coriander, and then they are going to bake. Even they have some seed for next time. Even the seed, this thing, you can eat it. You can mix with the salt to make the salt and chili salt to eat with yogurt. It's really, the taste really nice. Even I have too many flowers in my garden, but because the garden is too small, it have no space for flowers, so it's too small, see, right? So I leave more space for vegetable and some herbs, so I cannot plant too much flowers. Last time I planted a lot of flower, but I'm thinking flower I cannot eat, so we start plant just herbs, some vegetables. Okay, finally I done just cleaning basic cleaning the garden. This one might be good, I see. It's just a small garden, but I have most of the herbs. So we have strawberry. Actually, now it's season, they're growing too many. Look, you can see like too many small flower coming. Actually, and this is chili we are planting for this season. It's growing. We plant some new herbs. This is Asian herbs, and this is beetroot. Beetroot they are growing, and also we have passion fruit. Some of these, and then this is some tea dives. Yeah, mint over here. The mint they're growing. Mint. Mostly mint. I don't want to grow too much mint. Yeah, this is a small garden, but I love it. Just done some. Oh, also I plant some here. Strawberry. Hello friends. Today I went to buy some stuff in chemist warehouse to send back home to Vietnam. And now I'm going to quite far from Auckland. It's about 1 hour from my house. Here is in Manukau, and from here to there it take half an hour. So I need to drive there and send stuff back home. So I bought this perfume white musk. My sister, she really love it, so I bought it for perfume for her. I bought some face mask because in Vietnam they have some face mask, but my sister, she like the face mask in New Zealand because this one is better. I don't know, she said that it fits to her face, so she liked this, so I bought this one. And another one, I bought some lipstick for my mom. I bought 3. Actually I bought 2 for my mom and 1 I keep for me. I try it because I have some lipstick but it's not good, so this is Maybelline, and another one I bought. This is Maybelline brand, and this one is Revlon brand. So I just try this color then. Let's see how it. Oh my god, it's too dark. It should be okay, right? Yeah.
One eternity later.
What a busy day, and now I'm having some sushi. My face is too tired, so I'm too hungry, so I bought sushi just to eat few, and then I'm gonna go home. Now it's about 4 o'clock, so it's gonna traffic now. Oh my god, it's too tired, just wanna go home, but just eat a little bit. So now it takes me 30 minutes to go home. So I need to go home now.
Despite some traffic, you will arrive at 4:18 p.m.
Go home, cook and eat.
A few moments later.
What kind of food?
Yeah, it must be like this. Okay, I go and get the.
good.
You watch it, right?
It's sent to my mom. Tell her farm name.
Oh yeah.
Mmm.
Mm.
So sweet.